everyone is trying to introduce you to my 1300 horsepower Lamborghini Huracan. First thing to start off is my paint job. We put 2 pounds of flake in this beautiful paint and it's covered in Steck PPF. My Huracan has a forged carbon body kit. It's the hood, fenders, lip, bumper, side skirts, all the good stuff. Inside here we have a beautiful forged carbon steering wheel made by Charismo, and it has the pink and purple accents, which I love. And of course we had to have carbon inlays in here. Carbon, 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 carbon everywhere. We love it. And of course you always have to have a fire extinguisher in a Huracan. I've seen that these be catching on fire, especially with the twin turbo kit. So make sure you have one lying around. And we have these beautiful custom made wheels. These are gonna be the same spec as OEM because I don't wanna mess with the ECU. She's having issues with the tire sizes as well, sending me codes, so we don't need that. Even got the ZXR hubcap to add a little personal flair to it. And they're gonna be wrapped in Nitto tires. Big meaty boys. And underneath the beautiful carbon hood, hey! Yeah, a YouTube video. YouTube, yeah, I'm doing a car tour. I'm showing off my build, yeah. Twin turbo. Thank you, thank you. Your vote is nice as well. I have my ice box. I know I do not have a hood prop, but ignore that, okay? This is basically just to cool down the air even more before it hits my engine. And the best part of all is gonna be my twin turbo kit. Party in the back, okay? Beautiful beast right here is gonna be 4K Creations Custom Fab Twin Turbo Kit, okay? My 2 turbos are gonna be 62 and 66 precision turbos with the T51R mod. Ow! Ow! That's sharp as fuck! I'll give you a little sound clip of that mod because that makes the world of a difference. I have bigger injectors, max ECU, and it is on flex fuel, so I can run pump gas or E. And the ECU will detect how much E is in my gas tank, so I can do the appropriate nap. I can literally feel it dropping down my back. I'm so wet. Oh, whoa. And what's hiding under the trunk? Ooh. Of course we had to powder coat match it to the vehicle. Pink, purple, everywhere, love to see it. And you can also see 4K Creations' beautiful custom exhaust. He did so good on that. Chef's kiss. This Lamborghini V10 is the most amazing motor ever, okay? OEM numbers, it does 610 horsepower, and this baby can hold up to 1300 horsepower with stock internals and stock block. That's actually insane. When I first put on this kit, I did an 800 horsepower kit, and my clutch said bye-bye. It kept slipping. So we ended up putting in a Datsun clutch, and it is rated for up to 1500 horsepower. She's good to go. Let's party. Okay, close nicely. This Volkswagen. Okay, we're good. We're good. So there is going to be a little sequence to start this car. We're going to push to start, and then it's going to turn on in Strata mode. We are going to push it down to Corsa. That is going to be the sport mode, and she only likes starting in Corsa. We don't start in anything else. So brake, start. There she is, and that is going to be my dash cam. Yes, yes, we need that. We need that in this area. And we are going to put the nice sports cluster on. If you're wondering, I do not have washer fluid. I never hooked up the sprayers to the carbon hood. Sue me. Just to show you guys really fast to the center console of the Huracan, I have my windows. This is going to be front lift, so the front is on a hydraulic lift and it goes up and down a couple inches to get over speed bumps and steep driveways. This is going to be my traction control. I usually keep that off while I am driving just because it is tuned with it off and she likes to drive with it off, okay? I also got the Brokey spec Huracan, okay? This is where the $1,000 cup holder is supposed to be, but who the hell is paying for that, right? So I got a $100 cup holder that probably costed $1 to 3D print, but you know what? It is what it is. A girl needs her Starbucks. And that's pretty much it for the car tour. Let's go ahead and go for a little drive.
confusing in here. I know, right? We're kind of in a sketchy city right now, so I can't do a bunch of crazy stuff, but give it just a second. Gra-ta-ta-ta.
What the f was that? Before my eyes. Holy shit. Dude, did you hear that? I had to brake super hard because that was a bump. Well, that was an exciting ride, wasn't it? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so glad to be doing another YouTube video once again. All of my socials are going to be listed right here, and I can't wait to make more content for you guys. Mwah. Oh boy, that sounded a little bit too expensive. Not gonna One time for the one time. Ooh, shit. It was a little spicy.